On October 19, 2017, astronomer Robert Warwick from the Pan-STARRS Observatory in Hawaii spotted something unique in the sky. An object moving at such a high speed and following such an unusual trajectory that it had to originate from outside our solar system. It was the first interstellar object ever observed by humans. The discovery sparked a wave of excitement within the scientific community and among astronomy enthusiasts, raising a series of unprecedented questions. Named Oumuamua, a Hawaiian term meaning messenger arriving first from afar, the object seemed to carry a message from the depths of the universe, a fragment of a distant and mysterious reality. However, its peculiar characteristics, from its bizarre shape to its strange acceleration, made it one of the greatest enigmas of modern science. Before Oumuamua, no interstellar object had ever been observed in our solar system. Astronomers knew such visitors could exist, fragments from other star systems expelled during planet formation or catastrophic collisions. However, their orbits would make them extremely difficult to detect. The discovery of Oumuamua was thus both a surprise and a confirmation of long-discussed theories. The trajectory of Oumuamua, determined through subsequent observations, showed that it came from the direction of the constellation Lyra, although it was impossible to pinpoint its exact origin. It was traveling at about 315,000 kilometers per hour, too fast to be held by the sun's gravity, confirming its interstellar nature. When astronomers began studying it more closely, Oumuamua proved to be anything but ordinary. First, its shape. The object appeared to be incredibly elongated, with a length-to-width ratio estimated at least 5:1, possibly even 10:1. This proportion was unprecedented among known objects, which tend to be more compact. Some compared it to a cigar, while others imagined it as a thin disk like a sail. The surface of Oumuamua, observed through telescopes, appeared reddish, similar to many objects in the outer solar system, suggesting it was covered with irradiated organic materials. However, there was no trace of gas or dust around it, typical features of comets. What truly puzzled scientists was its dynamics. During its close pass to the sun, the object accelerated anomalously. The gravity of the sun and nearby planets couldn't fully explain this change in velocity. Normally, such acceleration is caused by outgassing. The sun's heat vaporizes ice within a comet, creating jets of gas that act like tiny rockets. But Oumuamua showed no signs of such activity. Additionally, its rotation appeared chaotic. Data suggested that the object was not spinning around a stable axis, but tumbling in a kind of chaotic tumbling motion, a behavior rarely observed in natural objects of this size. When it was discovered, scientists hurried to classify Oumuamua. Initially, it was labeled a comet, but the absence of a tail and outgassing led to its reclassification as an asteroid. However, neither definition seemed entirely fitting. It was clear that Oumuamua was a unique object, unlike anything observed before. Some scientists suggested it could be a fragment of a larger body, such as a planet or moon, violently ejected from a distant solar system. Others hypothesized it might be a hydrogen iceberg, a fascinating but controversial theory suggesting that Oumuamua was primarily composed of hydrogen ice, which would sublimate without leaving visible traces. One of the most intriguing, and certainly the most controversial theories, was proposed by Avi Loeb, an astrophysicist and Harvard professor. According to Loeb, the characteristics of Oumuamua, particularly its anomalous acceleration and shape, were best explained by hypothesizing that it was an artificial object, possibly a probe, built by an advanced extraterrestrial civilization. Loeb proposed that Oumuamua was a solar sail, a device designed to harness the pressure of starlight for propulsion. The lack of artificial signals detected by radio telescopes did not deter Loeb, who argued that the object could be inactive technology or even space debris. This theory captured public attention and sparked lively debate within the scientific community. Many experts considered the alien hypothesis premature and poorly supported by data, but Loeb stood firm in his belief, writing a book titled Extraterrestrial to outline his ideas. In 2023, a new theory proposed by scientists Derry Seligman and Jennifer Bergner offered a natural explanation for Oumuamua's acceleration. The two researchers suggested that the object was largely composed of water ice, which, after being exposed to cosmic rays for millions of years, had trapped molecular hydrogen within its pores. During its close approach to the sun, the heat would have released this hydrogen, creating a barely perceptible thrust sufficient to explain the observed acceleration. This theory requires no unknown or alien processes and aligns with what we know about materials present in the cosmos. Although Seligman and Bergner's theory seems convincing, the case of Oumuamua remains open. Its discovery has ushered in a new era in astronomy, prompting scientists to improve telescopes and theoretical models to identify and study future interstellar visitors. Meanwhile, the story of Oumuamua continues to inspire not only scientists, but also writers, artists, and visionaries worldwide. This small object, arriving from who knows where, reminds us that the universe is vast, complex, and full of mysteries. Who knows what other interstellar messengers may already be traveling toward us, carrying the secrets of distant worlds. Thanks for watching. Leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon to avoid missing upcoming videos.